Hey guys, it's me William, and today, so I actually had a package that came, and you know what it is? That's right, it is the Nerf Fortnite AR-L. So I've been waiting for this Nerf gun to came, and the reason why I like about this is one is Nerf, and two I love Fortnite. So Fortnite and Nerf combined together. So here's the front of the box. And here's the back of the box. So I don't really unbox like my Nerf guns and videos. I just reviewed them. So this is probably going to be my first time. So let's open it. So I'm not going to talk. So I'm just going to open it and then I'll talk. All right. Alright. Okay. Whoa. Guys, this looks sick. Oh my gosh. So, it's really sick. There's also other Fortnite guns like the SRL and also the TS. So now let's just take everything out. All right. Oh wait. So, oh my gosh. So here's the blaster. This actually looks really cool, and here's the sight. So I'll just review this. And here is, and then I'll get the clip out. Whoa, that was easy. Here is the magazine. It's kind of like a Fortnite magazine, not any of the other regular Nerf magazines. Here are the instructions. Now these are the hardest parts to get, probably. Right. And has 20 Nerf dots. So I'll review the blaster. So this has like a huge long barrel right here. So right here. And then it has like the sights. Also it has like a barrel attachment. So it has another sight right here. Right here. And then has like the jam door right here. Then it has like the trigger, and then has the trigger and this part right here. And also this, which just pop out the magazine like this. Like, yeah, like that. So this thing, so let me see at the box. This thing takes 4 AA batteries, so I'm gonna put them on. So I got this right here. Okay, so I'm not gonna talk again, so I'm just gonna do this. Alright, let's put them on. That's it, I think. Okay, sorry guys, I don't know how to do this. Just put the magazine in to see if it works. I don't know how it doesn't work. Maybe we do this. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm sorry, like, he had to wait for a long time. So I finally figured it out, so. Yeah! Woo! Oh my gosh. Okay, let me just put this back on. Okay, now these darts look like the loot of armor. So let's just put 10 darts in here. So I'm very sorry guys that he had to wait for like a long time. I'm really sorry, but who cares? But let's just try to spray now. Yeah, I think that's 10. Right. Let's give this a test bite. So I'm going to shoot the camera and see. That's cool. So, yeah, it's kind of like the Nerf Modulus. So, let's just try it out one more time with the darts. So yeah, guys, here's the blaster himself. Looks really cool. I like it a lot. So, let's do it again. Wait. Ah! Okay. Alright. Alright. Let's give this one more test fire. Now I'm gonna shoot the camera again. So let's just give this one more test fire. So gosh. Just try that one more time, guys. I'm really sorry that it jammed. This way is sweet. So, yeah, guys. So, I'm really happy about this gun. I love it a lot. I like it a lot. So, I'm really sorry, guys, that it jammed and then I had to take a long time to put like the batteries in. So, yep. So, that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, share. And what other Fortnite Nerf guns do you want me to review? Do you want me to review the SLR or the TS? So that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.